All right, well, good afternoon. This is Mike with Low Def Media, and today I have a little bone to pick with Newmowa. If you recall in an earlier video, Newmowa is the shooting grip that I bought for my Sony point and shoot, which I'm using now. Well, I dropped my camera accidentally and bent the cord, just the USB, the micro USB part that goes into the camera. Bent it. Still works, okay? It's working now. But you never know when it's gonna fail, so I wanted to buy a backup. So I went to Amazon, and this is a USB-C to micro USB cord. So I have purchased two. One I don't see on my desk, but let me see if it's in this drawer. No. One I bought, and it was about 6 to 7 inches long, so it wasn't really long enough, okay? Then the other one I bought, which is a DJI, it's made for DJI drones. And so, it's got the L-shaped connectors. So this is the micro USB right there. And then here is the USB-C. You can kind of see that there. This should work. It's exactly the same length, same connectors as the one that I'm currently using. Doesn't do anything. The previous one that I bought that was a little shorter, again, micro USB, USB-C, nothing. No idea why this cord works and none of the other ones do. If you have a Newmowa, or if you know that something I don't about micro USB and USB-C cords, let me know in the comments below, because I don't want to say desperate, but I am seriously searching for a backup cable for this Newmowa shooting grip. See you in the next one.